In this video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health on your iPhone. So to start, we're going to open our Settings app. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Battery and then tap on that. And now you want to find Battery Health and Charging and then tap on that. So here is the number that we're looking at. Apple calls it maximum capacity, and they say this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when the iPhone was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. So if you have a brand new iPhone, it should definitely be 100% here. If you have a used or refurbished iPhone, it would probably be good to check this. You really don't want it to go below 80%, as that's when Apple starts replacing batteries for free under Apple Care if you do have that. So anything above 80% is okay, but ideally you want this to be above 90% to get a fair amount of battery usage. So if you found this video helpful, could you please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to learn more about your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.